Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. So in today's video I'll be showing you how to use alter statement in MySQL. So I'll be using MySQL Workbench for performing the queries. So let's start the code. So here you can see, so this is the table name is EMP. So here you can see employee ID is there, employee name, phone, salary and department. So what I will be doing, I will be using alter statement and I will be adding one more column. So I will be showing you the query first. So the query is alter table, then table name. So table name is EMP, alter table name, then add column email varchar 25. Okay, so after this after writing this query, just execute control plus enter. So here you can see it got executed perfectly. So let me check. Select star from EMP, select star from EMP, table name is EMP. So here you can see one column has been added, email, and I have not specified any value, so it is by default null. So let me show you, if you want to insert any column at a specific place, then how to insert that. So let me add one more column, alter table EMP, add column DOB date, after the column phone. So this one is the column. After this column, one more column will be added. The name of the column will be DOB and the data type will be date. So let's execute this code. Here you can see it got executed perfectly. Let me check once. So here you can see it got added DOB after phone. So let me show you how to use alter statement for deleting any column. So let me delete the column DOB, alter table EMP, drop column DOB. Let me drop it. It got executed perfectly. Let me check. So here you can see after phone DOB was there, it got deleted. So we have done adding a column, deleting a column, and we'll show how to modify one column. So let's modify. So let me show you the column. So here you can see, for checking the columns data type, you need to type just show columns from table name. So here you can see employee ID integer, employee name varchar 20, employee phone integer, department varchar, email varchar 25. So let me change the employee name varchar 20 to varchar 10. So the query is alter table EMP, modify EMP underscore name varchar 10. So what I have done, I have modified the column data type. So varchar 20 was there, I have changed this to varchar 10. Let me execute this. Got executed perfectly. Let me check once. Sorry. So columns from EMP. So here you can see employee name was varchar 20, so I have modified it to 10. So this was the video showing how to use the alter statement in MySQL Workbench. So first of all, we added one column, then we have deleted the column, and then we have modified the column. I hope you like the video. Thank you.